Can you just look over our website quick? I know I need to post, but what should I post about? Can you take a peek at our social media to see what we can improve on? Where do I start with digital ministry? TikTok. Do I really need to TikTok? How do I TikTok? These are some of the questions we've received over and over again from church leaders over the past few years. And over time, we've been able to put our answers out there on the internet, on YouTube, through our blog posts, on all the social media platforms. Okay, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, oh my. But sometimes it's helpful to have someone just walk you through the process from start to where you need to be. We've had the privilege of meeting many churches where they are over the past year and walking with them through what we call a digital communications review. Through this process, we will literally click on every single button on your website. Everything. We will review your content, your layout, the clarity, the SEO, imagery, speed, security, and more. But we didn't stop with just websites. Any social media accounts that were active, newsletters that were live, forms that were available to be filled out, any and all digital communication channels and needs were specifically addressed for each individual congregation that we completed a DCR, digital communications review, for. Think like 20 pages of commentary and action steps and resources. It was a lot. In fact, it takes so much time and effort on our part to complete a complete digital communication review that we've limited the amount that we will take on at a certain amount of time. We don't even have it listed on our website at this point. We might at your point when you're watching this, but we'll just kind of field the requests for these as they come to us word of mouth, which is why we had the brilliant idea to clone ourselves. No, not really. But with the course, we can offer more digital communications reviews to more congregations. They can literally do them themselves at their own pace. They can be more affordable. It really just seemed like a win-win-win for everybody. Hence, the do-it-yourself digital communications course was born as an option for churches. So who is this course for? Anyone just getting started in digital ministry will benefit from this course. We go over what needs to happen before you even start putting yourself out there online. What kind of things does your church need to think about as far as its identity, as far as branding, all that good stuff. We walk through many of the popular social media platforms. We go really in depth with Instagram and all the features there. We talk about Facebook groups. We talk about YouTube. We talk about short form video. We also spend a decent amount of time on content creation. So if you need ideas for how to make your posts more engaging, do a lot more than just post announcement posts, this will be helpful for you. This course is also for anyone that feels established in digital ministry, but like you could use a second set of eyes. Perhaps you have a website, you feel good about your website, but you're not sure that it's effectively engaging new people that are landing on your site. We will literally walk through the homepage, what needs to be on it for visitors to best engage them and invite them into further community. We will walk through just about every popular website page that churches have and how to best handle that to make sure your website remains as efficient as possible. And again, if you have social media accounts but you don't know what to post, we certainly cover that throughout the course as well. This course is also for anyone who knows they need digital ministry guidance but don't have the time or don't want to be searching through YouTube or Google for what to do next, and they don't even know maybe what questions they have. They just want someone to lay it out for them. We do that. This course is also for people that are comfortable learning through video. This course is full of 7 modules with many lessons within each module. You can go at your own pace. You can jump around as you need to, hit stop, hit rewind, hit pause, whatever. Do it yourself. Communications review. Go where you need to be. If this sounds like you, download the Do-It-Yourself Digital Communications Review course today and finally reach those people that are lurking around all of your digital ministry channels, platforms, website perhaps, just waiting for someone to share with them some hope, show them some light, and walk with them toward a healed and whole life. See you inside.